What if two people could build a house by hand? Meet HouseBy2, a new way to build a house. Designed with lightweight SIP panels that two people can handle and assemble by hand. No crane, no forklift. Just two people, a simple system, and the right tools. Piece by piece, the entire structure can be built by hand. Add more hands and equipment, and the same house can go up even faster, in just a few hours. From floor to walls, from walls to roof, the system is designed for a simple, straightforward assembly process. Build it where life takes you. Choose your size, choose your style, make it yours. HouseBy2, two people, one house, your way.